This on the side of the road. It's an old, I guess, computer station. Pretty good construction. Of course, it's made in China, but can't have everything, right? And I'm going to turn this into a router table. And let's see what happens. Yeah, we flipped it over. And we're going to remove the top off of it. And I don't remember what I did with my screw gun. I'm going to remove the top because there's a center support beam, and these beams are a little too tall. Now, before we use any power tools, let's talk about shop safety. Count your fingers when you come in, count your fingers when you go out, and the number should be the same. And let's not forget about the most important thing, really cool, cheap sunglasses. Now, this bag up here. Take my side grinder and just cut those off flush with the top. They won't interfere with my work when it's sliding across. I won't make you watch that, but... Okay, made short work of the uprights. Cut those off with the side cutter, or the really big, too big tool for what I just did, but we'll cut those off. And one of the really cool things right here on the end of them, they have the plastic inserts, so you won't even see my nasty little cuts right here. Alright, so let's get that top cut and put back on there. Sorry for the shaky video. Okay, so you can see I had to remove the steel cullets because there wasn't enough room for the base of the router, which I have removed. So we are going to mark out just roughly where I'm going to mount this. I hope you didn't see it move just now. I'm going to cut out this circle. Well, I'm going to go halfway down so I have a place to mount it. As you can see here, I screwed up making my cut. Just cut it too thin and went right through it. That's what you get for not checking your depth. So I scrapped that idea and went to Walmart and bought a cutting board. Yes sir, cutting boards. It's about a quarter of an inch thick. Got my base mounted to it. Yeah, I went to find out about buying another base. Some things are $70. It's like buying a new router, I tell you. But get it nice and cleaned up, just flush, and it's a smooth surface. Slides right across. Not too far off, but for what I do, it'll work out just fine. I just mount the top back down, and I'm going to stop by Grizzly and pick me up a, see if you can read that, T-slot track, 36 inches long, which is about 2 inches short of the table. But I will mount that into the table so I can use the other thing with the stuff on it. You know what I'm talking about. T-slot, which I can put stop blocks and miters and stuff like that. And like I said, that'll be it. Just got to mount the table down to the base, and it should be complete. We'll see how it runs. Okay, here we go. I finished installing the T-track, 36-inch T-track. I didn't need no more than that. Got me a stop block, just temporary. Fence that I had built for a previous table that I didn't like, but I liked the fence kinda. Which after a trip to Grizzly, I will pick up some more T-track and make some lateral tracks so that I can slide back and forth, make dovetails or whatever I've never tried before. As you can see, it got sealed up and a vacuum hose attached to it, so maybe I can get some dust out of my shop. And it's really dark under there, but well, here I can show you. Nice little grab handle. There's my router, and everything's good. And on that same trip to Grizzly, I will pick up a knee stop switch, or a stop switch that you hit with your knee, and put an electrical box on the front here. And I don't know if you can notice, but in the back here, the original desk was carved out for, I guess, bear bellies. But I decided I didn't want that up front. I want a nice flat face. There's room to build a cabinet underneath this if I wanted to. And, well, let's see, between $2.50 for that and just under $10 for that, this is my $12.50 router table. Thanks for watching. Definitely got to get that shop vac hooked up. I think it's a little dusty in here.